Dude, are you kidding me? Even this guy? What if this is some sort of an alien group? Lovely weather out here today. It is 9 in the morning, so feels good for a change to leave so early in the morning, dude. That metal rubbing against the metal. that sound and that friction. Ah man, that haunts me. सच है समय का ही सब दोष है धड़कन एक उम्र रहता है छपरी जाने क्यों फिर भी दिल कहता है. I don't know what they achieve from riding like this. मराठीमध्ये एक म्हण आहे कदाचित की कानात वारा भरल्यासारखा पडतोय. I guess that's he's trying to fill air in his ear. I don't know what that quote means, but this is what it literally looks like. Something happened here. Something's broken. Someone's broken, in fact. धड़कन एक गम रहता है. We saw him. Oh, जाने क्यों फिर भी अरे it's green. I've got 7 seconds, so I've got enough time. जाने क्यों फिर भी दिल कहता है जी लो जरा.
क्या फटा है तुम्हारी आवाज में यार.
What a day. What a lovely day. Damn, X1. The new one looks good, huh? It's kind of growing on me. It looks a lot different than before, but looks better.
अरे कौन भौंक रहा है ये बदतमीज.
Bikers take it very personally if you enter into this lane. This unsaid, self-proclaimed lane that we have created for ourselves. We are very offended if someone doesn't let us pass. We ourselves are allowed to cut into anyone on the road. Anyone and everyone. But not in our lane. We take it very personally.
How dare you?
Bikers are very annoying, dude. Look at that beauty. Look at that gut. I mean, the grace with which he's shoved himself in the lane. Beautiful. Hey, boys. क्या कट मारा यार. मजा ही आ गया एकदम देख के. The graceful dance that these beauties do on the road. Oh man, no supermodel can match that grace.
I am sorry, Babu.
Without the headlights on, dude. Arey, what is it with rickshaw wala not putting the headlights on? Arey, what the heck? Today is no headlight day or what? No one? What? Why is no one putting the headlights on? I'll check if this guy doesn't have his headlights on. This guy also doesn't have his headlight on. Dude, are you kidding me? Even this guy? This is quite interesting. See, even this guy, I'm very interested now. Very much interested. What is the logic? Why are people striking? This guy has his headlights on. Okay, let me check with a person that doesn't have them on. See, again, another one. Another one. What the heck? These guys have them on. Why though? Why? I should probably ask this guy. I'll ask this guy only. अरे यार, he's not stopping at the right point. Hold on, bhai. Let me ask this guy. Sorry about that. Bhai. So fucking difficult to catch up with a person. What the heck? I'm in such a handicap right now. और ले लो कैफे रेसर, और ले लो रॉयल एनफील्ड का हाथी.
आगे स्वाद.
One thing I couldn't do in a traffic studded road. Should I ask them on the go only? ये आपका हेडलाइट बंद है ना? हेडलाइट है ना? हेडलाइट बंद क्यों है? अच्छा. What the अरे यार, I was not. Never mind. He just said sorry. What? We can't strike a conversation, dude.
Shit.
I have no. Am I hallucinating or something? I shouldn't have asked because I stalled a lot of traffic for no reason, and there was no outcome of that conversation at all. This guy looks like he has his headlights off. I can't tell. Okay, he has it off. I'll wait for the signal to come. Or have just people collectively forgot to switch their headlights on because of the street lights? I have no idea. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, now is the chance. अरे भाई रुक जाओ ना कहीं पे तो. अंकल, आपका हेडलाइट बंद है. हेडलाइट बंद है आपका. हाँ, बंद रखा है क्या? क्यों, क्या हुआ? अरे he still did not get my question. Why is it so difficult to ask people questions? Oh man, why are people so apologetic?
अरे भाई क्या बताऊं मैं?
See, this guy also did not have his headlights on. I mean, he's on the side of the road, so man, oh man, the struggle of life. I've never been so confused in my life ever in context of rickshaws, of course. Does he have his headlights off? Sure, kind sir. Oh, he has them off, but it's green now. God damn it!
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
See, even this guy. I need to pull on the side of the road. See, even this guy. It's either people collectively forgetting switching their headlights on, especially auto drivers, because I'm assuming they don't have automated headlights and always running headlights, right? It's probably because of that, or it's some sort of sorcery, some sort of club, headlight strike club that is running in auto rickshaw culture. I've never been this confused. Now all I'll see is headlights of auto rickshaws. That guy also did not have the headlights on running, by the way. This guy has them. Looks like, yeah, he has them. I guess it's just them forgetting now. But it's surprising the amount of people that forget. I mean, there's street lights, so you hardly need them. And then there are people that have their high beams running in such traffic with such kind of street lights. Let's check this guy out. He looks like he has them running. See, this guy doesn't have them. How and why? It's going to be very difficult to communicate it to him what my concern is. But let's give it a shot. Let's stop where this guy stops. I hope the damn signal doesn't turn green. The only time I want the signal to stay a little longer. But my bro won't stop. He'll find his way. He'll carve his way. आपका हेडलाइट बंद है. हेडलाइट आपका
बंद किया.
क्यों? ऐसा कोई रीज़न है क्या? कोई कारण है क्या? बिकॉज मैं बहुत रिक्शा का देखा आज बहुत जनों का बंद है हेडलाइट. कोई कारण नहीं है ना? वही मैं सोच रहा था. I hope it doesn't think I'm being sarcastic because I'm genuinely.
Why so serious? Let's put a smile on that face.
Gunshots rang out at a gas station, and authorities say miraculously no one was seriously injured.
कुछ भी?
I hope it doesn't think I'm being sarcastic because I'm genuinely, literally flabbergasted, huh? Looking at the number of people that don't give a for their headlights. Well, finally, I've got my answer. I can rest in peace, but I'm still genuinely surprised the amount of people that absolutely don't take into consideration something as basic as headlights at the in the night. But never mind. Damn, the moon is pretty bright today. I mean, not this. This is just the street light, but in general, the moon is pretty bright. Is that why the auto rickshaw drivers are not switching the headlights on today? I'll have to check tomorrow in the night. I'll also check if there are still auto drivers with their driving with their headlights off. This has been a big revelation of my life and I'm gonna investigate it further. What if there's a cult of auto drivers that doesn't believe in artificial illumination? What if they are a part of Illuminati? What if this is some sort of an alien group that has been silently watching over us? You never know, dude. A headlight can tell you a lot of stories. I should stop having coffee, man.
ये ड्रगी है.
Oh man.
Bonus.
Achha, let's do one thing. Why don't you guys tell me what are your theories about auto drivers not having the headlights on? Let's see how creative can you get. Of course, wrong answers only. I've put more than enough logic into it. Let's see what you can think of. And of course, this is an opportunity that has been given to only the people that know about the bonus. That is why I kept this part in the bonus. So comment down with your theories and let's find the wildest one. It should be convincing, huh? It should be very convincing. Let's see how well you can come up with bullshit. After all, you guys are my subscribers, so I have high hopes from you. Also, it will be quite interesting to see other viewers that have absolutely no idea about bonus. They'll be clueless to read weird theories of auto drivers.
भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा भाई? ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं?
So yeah, let's see what you come up with. तू भाग, अब तू भाग मिल्खा.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.